Hey y'all, it's Renee from 9V Florida Panhandle. And well, I just got home from work, rolled the racks out into the driveway to absorb what little Florida sun there is out today. And I'm enjoying my wonderful cappuccino. Just got some royal cinnamon, tasted that for the first time. Oh boy, if you're a cinnamon fan and you've never tried royal cinnamon, I would definitely give that a try. It is delish. And I'm also eating a little bit of a Blondie here. I'll try to flash up that recipe maybe up on the screen, and maybe you can give it a try. I found it to be just a touch on the dry side. Like I might increase the butter and maybe add a dollop of sour cream and some extra vanilla. Well, extra would be not exactly right because there is no vanilla in this recipe. The vanilla comes from the vanilla baking chips. So if I can get motivated, I'm going to try to prune down my climbing rose from Heirloom Roses that I can no longer remember the name. But if I can get in there and find the tag, which I'm pretty sure I left on, I will let you know which one that is. So let me relax for a few minutes and we'll see what we can do. All right, so that was delicious. I'm really full. I'm feeling really guilty. So that means I need to do a little workout in the yard. So we're gonna see if these roses have any thorns to speak of. So we're gonna look here. So these don't really have much of any thorns. I don't know if you can see that. Focus, camera, focus. But I think I'm gonna be okay handling this one. And putting it in my compost. Which makes me happy because I hate having yard waste if it can be reused for something that is so much better. I'm still going to wear my gloves though, just in case, because I have the kind of fingers that when a thorn gets in it, it cannot come out unless it's like surgically removed. I'm there digging with my eyebrow pluckers trying to pull those babies out. But let's go ahead and get to work on that. See, you can't have that. You can't have that. No, you can't have that. Oh, no. You gotta give me that back. You gotta give me that back. Yes, Lucy. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. You guys are just too cute. Oh. Probably the hardest part of this is that it's attached to 2 trellises here. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to liberate from here. And he said it needed to be a pretty severe pruning. So I'm probably taking it down 2/3 is what I'm thinking. Uh-oh. I don't know if my hand pruners are going to be enough. I may have to get out the loppers for these. I hope not. Oh gosh, and look, there's jasmine coming up over here. Like, really? Really? Oh, I know, I said in another video, I couldn't remember the name of the Japanese maple in front of this one. Sagamori. So I was able to remember it. It does have yellow leaves in the fall, which is nice, but it's pretty much just a green lace leaf. Ooh, it's nice when a big one can come through. Look, a lot of this wood is actually dead. So I think those were some dead canes that just needed to be pruned off, because it was really detracting from the overall look of that rose. Yuck, I have these little viney plants. They will take over. I've got to dig those up. I got to get the shovel. Oh my gosh. Don't you absolutely hate it when these little viney things with thorns grow, masquerading as nice things like roses? I think there are a bunch of passion flower vines in that mix too. That was a job. I can't wait for you to see how it looks, because it looks oh so much better. Only job left to do is to move yard waste disposal. Here we go. We are ready to rock and roll for the springtime. I am so looking forward, and I hope that that one's able to take off. Oh my goodness. Yes, that is done. Whew. That was a job, but a job well worth it. All right, I hope you're able to get out and make something beautiful in your world today. And bye y'all, until the next video. Today's pre-order rose from David Austin is Heritage. Look at that color. It's a repeat blooming shrub rose. Petals count is around 70 per flower, and it's a rather large one. It gets about 5 feet tall, 4 feet wide, and the scent is going to be myrrh with hints of honey and carnations. Yum, I can't wait to get this one.